bringing you today in history and some global observances. On this day, 2012, the cruise ship Costa Concordia sinks, killing 32. The Italian cruise ship Costa Concordia struck rocks near Isola del Giglio, Italy, capsized and sank, tragically resulting in the death of 32 people. The disaster was caused by Captain Francesco Schettino's unauthorized close sail-by, which tore the hull, leading to a delayed evacuation and significant loss of life. With the wreck becoming a massive salvage operation and prompting major cruise safety reforms, convicted of manslaughter, causing a shipwreck, and abandoning ship due to negligence, imprudence, and incompetence. His trial highlighted critical failures, including deviating from the route for a salute, causing the ship to strike a reef and capsize, with a chaotic evacuation and his premature departure adding to the tragedy, culminating in a 16-year prison sentence. On this day, 2000, Bill Gates steps down as CEO of Microsoft. Bill Gates stepped down as CEO of Microsoft on appointing Steve Ballmer as his successor, while Gates remained chairman and took on the new role of chief software architect to focus on technology development and future strategy amidst the company's antitrust challenges. Lyndon Johnson appoints first African American cabinet member. Robert C. Weaver as the first African American cabinet member, naming him secretary of the newly formed Department of Housing and Urban Development on this day, 1966, a historic move, fulfilling his Great Society vision for civil rights and urban improvement. Weaver, an accomplished economist and housing expert, led HUD through 1968, addressing housing discrimination and urban plight, marking a significant milestone in American government representation. To some few global observances. Public Radio Broadcasting Day. To commemorate the first public radio broadcast, which took place on this day, 1910, Lee DeForest is credited with creating public radio broadcasting because he made history that day by transmitting the first public broadcast in New York City. Make your dreams come true today. Inspire people to take action on their aspirations, turning abstract wishes into reality through planning and small steps, preventing future regrets, and recognizing that effort and perseverance make dreams achievable. Much like successful figures who achieve their goals, it's a reminder to move beyond just dreaming and start doing, whether it's a big goal or a simple desire, fostering hope and motivation for a better future. Lastly, National Shop for Travel Day encourages people to plan and book their next vacation as the holidays end. Highlighting how technology makes travel planning easier through virtual tours, reviews, and booking tools, while also promoting the benefits of travel for mental health and the economy. So please, as the festive season comes to an end, do all to be planning for the next holidays coming, December coming. And that's all for today on Today in History and Some Observances live on Ghana Talks Breakfast Show.